Okay, welcome to Rookie Plumber Mistakes 101. So I'm changing the monitor valve for a Delta tub shower with a replacement valve. And this ring here at the top is the toughest part because that can get stuck. This one's been in here for 24 years. And so when I use the wrench to twist this off, it was stuck. Tried some blaster grease to break it free. Should have probably tried some heat, but twisted it and it started to twist and twist a little bit more. And then the whole valve broke off. All three twisted behind the wall. Now I have to call the professional plumber. So my recommendation would be, if this is stuck, use every process you can think of to not have the housing be free and rotate, because this was stuck with such force that the copper pipe behind here gave way with twisting it. So, lesson learned.